everyone, this is Avantika with another episode of Bacha Savdhan. This is one of the most exciting episodes of Bacha Savdhan because we are talking about student entrepreneurship. Frankly, Bacha Savdhan is an example for student entrepreneurship. This is also an episode for investors who want to invest in student-driven projects. This episode is exciting because we all believe that students are highly creative and can reach any goal, especially since students themselves are consuming so many things. In today's panel, we have student entrepreneurs from Hyderabad, Ludhiana and Mumbai. Also, we have our expert Shivani Kapoor, who is the IIT Delhi and IIM Calcutta alumni.
Good evening everybody, my name is K.R. Padolkar. I am 8 years old. I study in grade 3. I am Kanish Padolkar and I study in grade 5.
Hi, I'm Shivani and I'm the founder of Think Startup. We're a team of entrepreneurs and startup mentors and we work with teenagers teaching entrepreneurship. Think of entrepreneurship as any other subject at school. Just like in every subject, you learn something new every year in a step-by-step manner. In entrepreneurship, you need to build a certain set of skills. The first is having an entrepreneurial mindset, the ability to look at the world around, come up with creative solutions to problems you see around, curiosity to continuously learn more, and the persistence to not give up when things get hard. Along with an entrepreneurial mindset, you also need to have knowledge of business skills. So once you have an idea, how do you do your market research? How do you figure out who your customer is? What's your product market fit? What kind of business model would suit your idea? How do you come up with a minimum viable product that will help you test out your idea? How to market and do financial management. The earlier you learn these skills, the more time you have to practice and get better at it. So at Think Startup, we work with teenagers and help them set up their own ventures, which they can run during their free time over weekends and really develop their entrepreneurial skills. The benefits of developing these skills is that it just opens up a world of opportunity. You go from someone who looks for a job to someone who is creating their own future and becoming a job creator. Avantika, it's been really nice talking to you. It's great to see your passion and how you've started this at such a young age. Wish you the very, very best.
Today, when people in India are talking about Startup India, Make in India, it is a great time for us children to talk about student entrepreneurship. In fact, children are working in as diverse fields as sustainable, eco-friendly projects to high-tech gaming.
Hi, I'm Prabhup Kaur, currently a high school student. I was really passionate about conserving the planet and I wanted to do something towards that cause. So I started my venture Sustainable Sujav, which aims at incorporating sustainability into your daily life. And together we can create an eco-friendly world. Thank you.
My name is Arnav Sahaya, 14 years old and the founder of the company Serial Trade. Many people buy in Serial Trade, so what I do is that people come to me selling their accounts. I put their accounts up for bidding on the 3-year shop and I make a lot of money out of that. Many people ask me why I made a website on trading accounts and buying games. Is because I am like fond of games. I play video games every single day, like 24/7 for like 12 hours.
Let's deep dive into Bacha Savdhan Analytics and compare student entrepreneurship with traditional schooling. In student entrepreneurship, we are talking about goal orientation to be able to create a product, risk-taking and a lot of confidence to stand out. In school, we are still talking about learning, applying knowledge to be able to collaborate and communicate. We children want to solve problems because we will be bearing the gain as well as loss. We don't want to hear what problems there are. We just want to go ahead and solve them and make businesses out of that.